Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad but you just don't think that it's possible simply because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a school, yes, in Canada where you can attend, and it's super affordable for everyone. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, please by all means introduce yourselves in the comments. I would like to know you and I would like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. You guys are simply amazing. Thank you for your love and your incredible support to your girl right here on this channel. And guys, without further ado, let me also introduce myself while I introduce yourself as well. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, three times every week, I drop videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that every single time I upload a new video, you, my bestie, you're among the first to get notified. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into today's business. Come in, let's go. Let's go. So bestie, are you looking for an affordable college in Canada that welcomes international students with open arms? Guess what? Northern Lights College might be the hidden gem that you have been waiting for. And here are some details that you need to know about this school. Northern Lights College is located in British Columbia. They offer career-ready programs in trades, business, technology, and health. It is known for its intimate class sizes and close-knit student support. And here is what makes this college worth considering. Number one, they have high acceptance rates, which means less stress over your application. It is affordable. Yes, they have affordable tuition without compromising education quality. You can also work while you study. Options are included, and programs are designed to support PR pathways. Colleges are DLI listed, so you are eligible for study permit. They also have, yes, for housing tip, guys, don't stress over accommodation. In case you're worried about safe and reliable housing as an international student, you may choose the University Living Student Housing, which is a platform that helps you find verified accommodation near your campus even before you land in Canada. So guys, if you are heading to this school, you can easily explore housing options that suit your budget and your preferences. And here are some tips for shortlisting your college. Here is what to consider when you're making your decision. Number one, check if the college offers co-op or internship programs. So think about your lifestyle, your preferences, small town versus the city campus. Always confirm your tuition, your program duration, and DLI status. Make sure that you also apply early, maybe for fall or winter intake. Here are some money saving tips for Canada students, for students in Canada. If you want to cut costs, try these strategies. Now, first thing is to look for shared housing options through trusted platforms like University Living. Apply for early bird discounts and internal scholarship. Please cook at home more often because groceries are cheaper than eating out. You can also use student discount cards for your transit, for moving up and down, like taking buses or trains and all of that. They also have, discount cards for software and cafes. You can also get a part-time job on your campus or near your campus. There are campus towns like Dawson Creek and Fort Street. So guys, this school actually gives students a peaceful, affordable lifestyle that is surrounded by nature. They also, like I said, they have high acceptance rates, and they are known for its student-friendly admissions. Guys, with clear requirements and plenty of intake options, your chances of being accepted into the school is higher than many other larger universities. Tuition fees for international students range from 13,000 Canadian dollars to $16,000, which is a solid deal in Canadian education. And here is a bonus tip for you. Affordable rent in Northern BC. They have co-op programs for hands-on work experience. They also have scholarship. Yes. And guys, if you are ready to study in Canada without the stress, Northern Lights College is welcoming. It is affordable, and it's a perfect gateway to the Canadian life. It is the perfect gateway to the Canadian life. Please make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that I can share with you spotlight on different schools to actually pick from, because I have done all the homework for you. I'm constantly researching amazing opportunities for you guys in UTB. So don't miss out on all this juicy information that I'm sharing with you guys right here on this channel. And if you have not introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and do that. I would like to know you, and I would like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. I mean, there is no me without you guys. I wouldn't be here without you guys. Thank you for all the 7,000 fair friends. I won't call you guys subscribers. I want to say big thank you to all you 7,000 besties, 7,000 friends that have joined, that have chosen to click on the subscribe button here on this channel. Thank you, and thank you. I'm constantly rooting for you, and I'm constantly doing researches for you guys. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know in the comments. There are no stupid questions here. This is not not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel, and I am rooting for you. I'm constantly, looking out for opportunities that will help you become the best version of yourself. And guys, if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, I've seen a couple of emails. What you need to do is, beyond sending an email, just join my Patreon community. Yes, you can find the link in the description, and you can also, join my channel membership. And yes, that way you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. And if you really want, because the consultation is typically 15 minutes, it lasts for 15 minutes. But if you want the 1 hour solid consultation, and you probably want us to fill your forms together, and then you can book a 1 hour consultation with me. I'll also put the link in the description as well. So bestie, I am rooting. If you know you really want to study abroad, you want to travel abroad, but you're broke and you're thinking it's not possible, on this channel I will show you how it is possible. It is possible. It is very possible with zero or little budget. I'm here rooting for you. I'm here constantly researching all of these amazing opportunities. And just so you know, beyond your school scholarship, because every school also offers scholarships. Every school offers their scholarships. So you need to go on your university website every single time, check when it is open, or you can set a reminder for yourself to check maybe every 2 weeks, yes, or every week. Just go and check if the portal, if each of those scholarships are open. If they're currently open, go ahead and apply for it, because there are so many scholarships that they won't send emails to you. You have to go check in. You have to go and check by yourself. So make sure that you check your university portal every single week or every 2 weeks. You can put it in your calendar and make it a part of your routine, of your weekly routine, to check whenever those portals are open. There are other scholarships. There are other, organizations and private bodies, institutions that give, scholarships to students. They give the scholarships in form of money. So they just give you money to buy textbooks, to pay for your tuition, to augment your tuition and all of that. If you'd like information on that, which means you probably already have admissions, or you're struggling to pay your school fees, reach out. Just leave a comment, and I'll help you with those information, those scholarships. But for now, I'm focusing on schools that you can attend with a budget. Yes, if you're on a budget, or even for free. There are other schools on my channel that you can apply to for free. Yes, free of charge. You heard me right. And that is about it, guys. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to say this. Thank you. That you are amazing. I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and check out this video right here.